Top 5 Best Drone Backpack. Number 5. Manfrotto MB BP-D1. Apart from serving as a drone carry-on, it can be your all-around hiking and storage bag. It looks like a regular backpack, but the inside is well made for all your equipment with all the movable compartments and padding. You get easy access from the sides. Pros: waist belt, movable partitions, flexible access. Cons: pricey. Coming in number 4. TARION RB02 Water Resistant. One of the most likable features of this backpack, other than its unique design, is the ability to keep rainwater out. It is made using water-resistant material that is useful in preventing your equipment from getting rained on. The bag is large enough to fit your drone, accessories, and tripod. Another lovable feature of this bag is that you don't have to remove it to get your stuff. It has quick access at the side. This is a pocket you can open and get anything you want from the main compartment. Pros: it is expandable. Great size. Ergonomic design. Cons: a bit costly. Coming in number 3. K&F Concept Camera Backpack. K&F Concept Company specializes in the design and manufacturing of innovative products and accessories for professional photographers. This multifunctional camera bag packs your camera gear in the bottom section, while the rolled-down top section gives you extra space for clothes and other stuff. I would not recommend this backpack for travel because it is not well padded, and it has poor weight distribution when fully packed. Like other camera backpacks of this design, the K&F Concept Backpack features a convenient side access panel that allows you to grab your camera quickly without unloading the top section. Pros: good quality and robust material construction, generous interior space for personal gear, comfortable shoulder straps and back panel, affordably priced. Cons: small and non-standard camera compartment, limited protective padding. Coming in number 2. Bensfoto Rolltop Camera Backpack. The Bensfoto camera backpack features a stylish design suitable for professional photographers. The construction features a water-repellent tarpaulin nylon material with a scratch-resistant and smooth surface that is easy to wipe down when cleaning. The bag has generous padding in all the critical areas to protect your equipment while maintaining decent weight. The pack's design features 2 compartments that are collapsible into one space. The main compartment at the bottom includes customizable padded dividers for your camera and accessories, while the top section is ideal for extra equipment or personal effects such as clothes. However, the closure design means that the bottom section is only accessible when you offload the top part of the backpack. To counter this problem, the bag's designers have made the bottom section removable through the side of the backpack and use it as a shoulder camera bag with the extra straps provided. Pros: features non-slip and wear-resistant base, multiple storage pockets for organization, generous padding to protect your equipment, good value for money. Cons: the roll-top section is not water-resistant. Coming in number 1. Lowepro ProTactic Backpack. Lowepro LP37176 ProTactic Backpack is one of the most loved drone backpacks by its users. If you have a bit more budget to play with, this is the best backpack to go for, hence it's our premium choice. One of the things that immediately stand out is the waist belt that allows you to shift the weight from your shoulders to your legs, as well as get extra storage space when hiking. For its durability, it can be considered lightweight. Pros: large capacity, padded straps, movable interior. Cons: expensive.